This illness, high cholesterol, is found in all cells of the body, and so many people know that it has harmful effects. What is real is that it is essential for the optimal functioning of the body. Our livers are responsible for removing most of it, but it is as well absorbed through the consumption of foods that contain it in themselves. It is necessary for the production of bile, which in turn is responsible for digesting fat. Additionally, it is also involved in the production of some hormones and is helpful for cardiovascular health. There exists one problem, and that is that although many of our organs need it, having too much of it can cause irreparable damage, and what is more worrying is that many people are unaware that they have high cholesterol, and that is because the symptoms are not easily noticed. This, in turn, can cause some health problems that can be more serious, for example, arteriosclerosis, kidney failure, and hypertension. As a result, it is crucial to identify some signs that can help detect any problems early on, and you should now check them out. Numbness and swelling of the limbs. If and when you experience numbness or you are swelling, then this may indicate the initial symptoms of high cholesterol, and this can happen due to the accumulated lipids preventing good circulation, and they can do this by reducing the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the muscles. Bad breath. Experiencing this, which is also known as halitosis, is actually a very common sign in people who experience high cholesterol, and because the substance is secreted by the liver, too much cholesterol creates serious difficulties with digesting, and in turn, this can cause dryness and some unpleasant odor in the mouth. Bloating and indigestion. Experiencing high levels of cholesterol can be a strong trigger for some later episodes of bloating and indigestion, and excess lipids in the blood and the liver as well can affect the metabolism and prevent in turn the good digestion while eating foods that are high in fat. Headaches and dizziness. When and if cholesterol will build up in the arteries, our circulation of the blood can get worse and the cellular oxygenation can be disrupted, and resulting in loss of balance, dizziness, and some strong headaches. Problems with eyesight. Having high cholesterol can cause the development of eyesight problems, and if not noticed early, they may result in irreversible damage. It is very usual for people to display bulging yellow eyes, blurred vision, and irritation. Constipation. Having buildups of lipids in the arteries can also affect digestion, and so the bowel mobility decreases and constipation happens as a result. This is a result of more factors, and one of these can be uncontrolled cholesterol. Chest pain. This one is a symptom that can be very easily spotted, and also it is always a reason for immediate consultation with a doctor. There exist many illnesses that are correlated with chest pain, but most of them are related to high cholesterol. Having fat in the arteries restricts blood flow and so has caused hypertension. Weakness and chronic fatigue. Experiencing fatigue, weakness, and a strong desire to sleep at some unusual hours are most often a cause of poor nutrition. Illness, or excessive physical activity, but not many people know that it may as well be a sign of having cholesterol, and knowing that this is involved in circulation and cellular oxygenation, some physical and mental problems are not uncommon to happen. Skin problems. When and if the body has difficulty regulating the cholesterol levels, hives, and other skin problems may happen, and these can manifest themselves with some red spots, inflammation, and an uncomfortable itching sensation that might be difficult to be controlled. Food allergies. People may have high cholesterol if experience some new food allergies, and even though they can be caused by many factors, having an excessive accumulation of fat in the arteries. And the liver may be responsible for some of these. What is most common is they show up after eating meats or some fatty foods.